Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of a very special collab between Simply Gilded and Archer and Olive. And this bundle, which contains these notebooks and the set of washi, will be available today on the Archer and Olive website. So if you want to get it, you'll have a chance to grab it until it sells out. It's absolutely gorgeous in the packaging of what I'm seeing from other videos, but I haven't opened it yet. I just removed the outside of the plastic that came with, and so we can look at it together. So first of all, let's look at the gorgeous notebooks, and then we'll get to the washi. Now, I have not purchased anything from Archer and Olive, but I am absolutely smitten with this gorgeous box. It's super, like, it's very smooth and soft. It's very like high quality, and I love this box. It's something that I would keep. I love this design, this kind of vine that goes around it. Then it has Archer and Olive, it has their simple, the ampersand, and then it says ungrafted journals and planners to enhance your everyday life. You know, the little crafter in me immediately think, okay, I'm gonna have to keep it. I'm looking for something around, but if you have even a floral or something, let me grab this. I mean, not this, but if you see, if you want to keep it for something else, and you just want to cover the logo and everything, just to make it more neutral, you can totally do that and just keep it for you know, safekeeping other things, because it's a beautiful, beautiful box. And so once we open it up, I love how we have this little kind of cover, like paper to protect this journal. And how gorgeous is this? So here's a little sleeve that says dot grid notebook. It says 160 GSM, ultra thick paper, no ghosting or bleeding, perfect for markers, fountain pens, and even paint. I love that. Now, Archer and Olive are known for making these absolutely stunning notebooks, super high quality, all handcrafted, and they are perfect for journaling because of the weight of the paper. So if you wanna journal, but even if you wanna paint in here, you can. And how stunning is this? I love it. I love the gold edge in here. So let's get this baby out of this. The sleeve itself is so super cute. Then the pink, it's like the perfect pink, and I kind of match. I wanted to match. It's not a perfect match to my sweater, but almost. This is perfect for Valentine's Day, clearly, which is coming up. And then we have here in the middle this the logo, or like the classic Simply Gilded foiled bow. Then we have an elastic that goes around it, so you can keep it nice and secure. We even have a little elastic loop here to keep your pen. And when you open it, it says this book belongs to, with kind of a little floral design, the Simply Gilded bow. Then it says Archer and Olive for by Simply Gilded. And then the paper is super thick, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, the paper is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. It's dotted, so you can kind of make your own if you want. Again, use it for journaling, or you can use it for anything else. Of course, you can, if you want to use it for lists, or if you want to use it for even like washi swatches, because this is absolutely gorgeous. And then in the back there is this pocket, so you can put your little things. I guess if you're using it for washi, you can use a little sampler. But one touch, something that I have looked up and I've seen, is that each notebook from Archer and Olive comes with this little kind of silky page marker that has a baby charm, a little ampersand charm. How cute is that? So you can mark your spot. And the pages are, because of the weight and the way that it's bound, you see it stays almost open by itself, which is you know, very useful when you're writing. There are going to be no problems of pages, like you know, kind of closing in on you. But this is also a very, very substantial notebook. It's the cover, I didn't mention it, but it feels like I didn't read about it. So the cover is like a cotton material, but is very beautiful. I love it. So this is the notebook that comes in the bundle, which again is available on the Archer and Olive website. And then we're gonna get to the washi. So actually, let me move it to the side for a second. And how cute. So we're having the matching pink packaging, which comes with this little window, and it says Archer and Olive decorative tape, set of 4, adhesive paper, tape 15 millimeter, and then of course Archer and Olive Simply Gilded. So let's take a quick peek. Oh my goodness. So these are kind of like perfect, I don't know, spring. Actually, this is like a beautiful, like Valentine's Day kind of combo. We are having two 50 millimeters. One is a floral with the little bows. Then we're having like either a 7 or 8 millimeters, which is half gold and half pink. Then the most stunning white background star kind of washi, and then this glitter washi that has, and I'm going to start with this one at the bottom, glitter washi that has the what is it called? The little the pink, the bows on top of them, gold foiling. I'm sorry, there was some tape on it that I am trying to remove. There we go. So here's the glitter washi with the bows, the gold foil bows. Pretty, classic, very classic, Simply Gilded. Then we're having a non-glitter washi. This is just regular washi with this stunning floral design in the background. It has soft pink, kind of soft wind cream in the background actually, with almost some, I don't know if they're not roses, but they're soft pink flowers. And then we have the foil bows with little foil stars. And then we're having this other one, which is the small, I don't know actually if I'll be able to open it. Let me try. Yeah, actually we'll just leave it like that. This is just like a 7 or 8, maybe 7 millimeters. So it's one of those split ones in which you have kind of like the classic pink in the bottom, and on the top you have gold foiled, the gold foil half, which has a grid design, super pretty. And then the last one, which I was immediately drawn to because I just love little washi. It's very hard to tell right now on camera, but it's a super pretty white background. It's almost like a vellum kind of quality to it. And then it has all different types of stars, like a little galaxy, and I just love it. So here is the little bundle, which again will be available today on the Archer and Olive website. Again, if you love journaling, if you love Irene, you know, actually this is a perfect combination with her washi, and it just looks like her washi took form into a gorgeous, gorgeous notebook. So I'm gonna be basically using it for journaling, and I'm gonna give a good try of journaling. I have struggled with journaling, but I think that is something that absolutely helps me in kind of like my everyday life, and you know, it definitely helps with anxiety and to kind of like keep things in check for me. So that, I know it helps me tremendously. But again, available today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a DM at Planningfancy, and I'll be glad to answer all questions. And in the meantime, I hope you stay warm and cozy, and you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.